In a world plagued by natural disasters where millions are affected annually, preparedness and timely information are key to minimizing the impact.
Welcome to our project on designing a flood alert system using FM frequency.
In this video, I'll walk you through the working of our prototype, its components, and why it's a crucial step towards community resilience. Our flood alert system comprises two parts, the transmitter part and the receiver part. The transmitter, powered by the solar energy, includes an Arduino board, FM transmitter module, and a tilt switch mechanism.
Our device will be installed such that the floating ball is just placed above the danger line. When there is a rise in water level, the device transmits the early warning signals. These signals are received by FM transmitter devices installed all around. People can evacuate the place before the flood hits their place. On receiving end, community members tune in FM radio to designated frequency and receive the alert, enabling them to take timely action. Our flood alert system presents a cost efficient and sustainable solution to pressing problems. Our system incorporates a tilt switch mechanism which activates the transmitter only when water level rises, conserving energy and ensuring efficient operation. Additionally, our prototype is customizable and scalable, allowing for adaptation to different geographical and environmental conditions.
Flood is approaching. Please evacuate to a safe place. Flood is approaching. Please evacuate to a safe place.
In conclusion, by harnessing the power of FM frequency and solar energy,
We're empowering communities to be together. We can build a future where people and nature coexist harmoniously.
Where safety is accessible to all and innovation meets sustainability.